In this video, we are going to learn to write a program to calculate area of a cone. So the steps involved would be, first we learn about the equation to calculate area of a cone. We identify what are the inputs required, and then we build the equation in Python, and then finally we print the value. So the first step is to get the equation. So area of a cone is nothing but pi r multiplied by r plus square root of h square plus r square, where h and r is the input. So let us take an example. If this is 10 and this is 5, then we are expecting that it would come around 665. So our program should output around 665.4. Let us write the program. The first step is to write the code. This program is to calculate area of A. It's a right circular cone. Right circular cone. What is going to be the input? The input is going to be R and H. One is radius, and the second one is height. What is going to be equation? If we were to write it, it is nothing but pi multiplied by r. We get the area of a cone. The equation pi r, so multiply by r multiply by, it is nothing but square root of h square plus r square. That is the equation, plus r plus. That is the equation. Now output is nothing but area of a right circular cone. Now in input example, the next step would be we provide a sample example. If we provide 10 as radius and height is nothing but, if we provide example 10 as radius and height as 5, then our expectation is nothing but 665.4. Let us write the program. The first step is to get the input, so that is radius equal to float input, enter radius. Next step is to get height equal to float input, enter height. Now we want to implement the equation. So area of a circular cone is nothing but pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by r. R is nothing but radius, multiplied by, then you have r in the parenthesis, that is r, plus we have to get the square root, and for that we have learned that we have to do import math. We have to use math.sqrt of what? of h square plus r square. So where is h square? H square is height and we want to get the square. So we can use 2, we can use height multiplied by height plus radius multiplied by radius. So this is one method. We could also use power method. So if we use power, then it will be something like height and 2. But currently we are just multiplying because it's a square root. The square root. So if we have implemented the equation and now we are going to print f the area of a right circular cone is nothing but what we have calculated for radius equal to, we put the radius variable and height equal to height. So we just re-verify the equation. The equation is pi r multiply r plus, let's see, pi r multiplied by r, there is no r, it's radius, plus square root of radius square, and we have to, because this is the function, we have to close this one more time. That will complete over here and area will be calculated. Let's run through this. So radius is 10, height is 5, and we are looking at output, that is 665.06 for radius 10 and 5. So that is how we calculate area of circular cone with inputs radius and height. Thank you.